Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to create a new chat in Google Gemini. So when you're at the Gemini homepage, if you haven't started a chat recently, you won't have the option to use the new chat button, but you will have some suggestions as well as the prompt entry box at the bottom of the page. So maybe one of these suits what you need. I'm going to show you how these work. Let's say we want to create an image in bedtime story, so I click on that and then notice what Gemini will do. It creates a prompt and then I can adjust some of the features and characteristics of the prompt to customize it. But one of the things that this is helpful for is this will teach you what types of information you can include in your prompt, what types of information you should include if you want your results to have a certain format, that kind of thing. But that is one way that you can start a new chat. The other way to start a new chat is you can just enter your prompt in the box. So create a bedtime story about fish that would be appropriate for a 5-year-old. All right, so I enter the prompt that I want. That is a way to start a new activity or new chat. But once you are involved in a chat, then notice that the new chat button becomes active and you can click on that and it will take you right back to start a new chat.